Jen Bowden. We are the mentors for the STEM Research International Space Station project class. In this project class, we helped a group of students go from the classroom to outer space.
As mentors, we provide guidance to students as they create the independent parts of the overall product and take ownership for their individualized roles. We have students who are involved in mechanical engineering, and they've learned to draw schematics and block diagrams of our experiment. We have other students that have been involved in CAD, 3D printing, and 3D modeling. Some of our students have been responsible for chemical and material science and engineering, while others have learned about schematics, circuit board soldering, and electrical engineering. Some of our students are responsible for software engineering and have had the experience with writing code and making software flowcharts. Our payload architect and quality control leads are responsible for making sure that each part of our final experiment works together. We have public relations leads who are responsible for writing technical documents that are supplied to NASA and the astronauts who will eventually run our experiments. These public relations leads also spend time writing press releases and news releases to our local media.
This Classroom to Space project at Carmel Christian School allows us to offer a unique capstone science course for our students who, though they have plenty of opportunity to learn many practical science skills in a traditional classroom setting, they don't often have the opportunity to apply those skills in such a unique project-based course.
We knew that project-based learning had many benefits, but to have an entire course that was based on one project, we wanted to make sure we knew our facts. What we did learn is that students in a project-based learning environment are more engaged, and they take ownership for the entire learning process. We've seen this in our experience with our Classroom to Outer Space. In addition, we had read that the more students have opportunity to use multidisciplinary learning, they gain more confidence overall than in a single disciplinary project-based course. Designing this project-based course, we really had to find a partner that could help us achieve such a grand result. We were able to partner with the Quest Institute for Quality Education, who is liaison partner with NanoRacks. NanoRacks has a relationship with NASA. Once we had our partners for this project, we wanted to find what is the best way to recruit the students that had the curiosity and drive to learn. We weren't necessarily looking for the most academically gifted, but the students who had desire. We wanted to make sure that the kids would benefit from our feedback, but we did not want that assessment to interfere with the experiment process. In fact, we wanted our kids to take risks. We wanted them to experiment, and if it failed, that would be okay. And so our main form of assessment is our performance review. Our students get this performance review quarterly.
A local science museum here in Charlotte, the Discovery Place, has contacted our team and has asked them to come present on a panel for Astronomy Day later this month. We've learned that our students really need to be able to learn in an environment that is low risk for failure. Our students have been able to experience failure and disappointment and yet work together as a team to overcome those failures and actually end up with a better experiment or a better project in the end. By working together and collaborating, we've learned that our students are actually able to dig deeper into the project and the content needed in order to complete the project as a team. They build off of one another and learn from each other's skills and abilities. Lastly, we have learned that students can do way more than we ever thought that they could do.
We will continue to redefine assessment so that kids can have low-risk chances to show what they know and also learn beyond what we think they can. In addition, we're going to continue to challenge our students to experiment with the ideas and questions that they have and allow them those opportunities both inside and outside of the classroom. Finally, we want to encourage our colleagues and administration to offer more project-based learning courses in the STEM areas.